Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting. In this video friends, I will show you display and brightness setting. And today video title is guys how to turn off eye care mode in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to off your eye care mode setting. So how can you off guys? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to off your eye care mode. So you can see screen color is different guys because of eye care mode setting guys. Then guys scroll friends, you can see display and brightness setting guys, tap here guys. Second option guys, you can see eye care mode setting guys, tap here guys. You want to off, so you can see turn off now guys. You want to off, so you can off from this right side. So your eye care mode will off guys. You can see your skin color will normal. So like that guys, you can turn off your eye care mode in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.